Question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? Sum number 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें एक टैक्सी फेयर की सिचुएशन दी गई है जो कि फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए 15 रुपीज चार्ज कर रहा है एंड फॉर एवरी सब्सिक्वेंट किलोमीटर इट इज चार्जिंग 8 रुपीज. So let us make an attempt to write this sum question in the form of some numbers which will help us to find out if this is in arithmetic progression or not. Okay. So taxi fare for 1 kilometer. Let us write that first. Taxi fare for 1 kilometer is equal to 15. Okay. Now first kilometer के बाद हर subsequent kilometer पे वो 8 किलोमीटर ऐड कर रहा है. So taxi fare for 2 kilometers. Taxi fare for 2 kilometers. ये क्या होगा अब 15 प्लस 8. 15 तो है ही फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के ट्रेवल करने का प्लस 8 एडिशनल ऐड किया हमने किलोमीटर 1 से किलोमीटर 2 पे आने पे. सो दिस बिकम्स 23. ओके. अभी लेट अस सी व्हाट इज इट फॉर द थर्ड किलोमीटर, फोर्थ किलोमीटर एंड द फिफ्थ किलोमीटर. टैक्सी फेयर फॉर 3 किलोमीटर्स. वो क्या होगा जो 2 किलोमीटर्स में आया है प्लस 8 बिकॉज एवरी किलोमीटर पे 8 रुपीज ऐड हो रहा है. 23 प्लस 8 दैट इज 31. ओके. टैक्सी फेयर फॉर 4 किलोमीटर्स दैट इज 31 प्लस 8 दैट इज 39. एंड लेट अस फाइंड द लास्ट वन. टैक्सी फेयर फॉर 5 किलोमीटर्स. ये क्या बनेगा 39 प्लस 8 दैट इज इक्वल टू 47. ओके. सो 15, 23, सो 15, 23, 31, 39, 47 इन सब का जो डिफरेंस है, कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो 8 है एंड दैट इज वाई दीज नंबर्स आर इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके. थस द टैक्सी फेयर is in the form of arithmetic progression because the common difference is 8. Sum number 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay. So यहाँ पे हम assume करते हैं कि जो सिलेंडर है उसका वॉल्यूम है सम लीटर्स. लेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर इन द सिलेंडर बी x लीटर्स. ओके. x लीटर्स था. अभी एवरी टाइम इट इज पंपिंग इट इज रिमूविंग 1/4 ऑफ द एयर. सो ईच टाइम 1/4 एयर इज रिमूव्ड. ओके. सो मान लीजिए ये 1 है तो अब 1/4 निकाल दिया तो 3/4 रह जाएगा फर्स्ट स्ट्रोक के बाद. सो एयर लेफ्ट इन द सिलेंडर, एयर लेफ्ट इन द सिलेंडर आफ्टर द फर्स्ट पंप, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 minus 1/4 दैट इज 3/4. सो 1 इसलिए माना क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं है कितना है. टोटल मान लीजिए टोटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट उसका 1 है तो हमने 1 में से 1/4 रिमूव कर दिया. सो 3/4 ऑफ द एयर विल रिमेन. ओके. सो एवरी टाइम देयरफॉर द वॉल्यूम, हर बार आप जब पंप से एयर रिमूव कर लेंगे सो दैट वुड बिकम, पहले इनिशियली x था. ओके. अब क्या बन गया 3/4x. ओके. फिर क्या बन जाएगा 3/4x होल स्क्वायर. इस तरह से ये चेंज होता जाएगा. ओके. सो द वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ एयर इन द सिलेंडर वुड बी, सी वी स्टार्टेड विद x देन इट बिकेम 3/4x. ओके. अब क्या बनेगा वो 3/4x रेज टू 2, 3/4x रेज टू 3. ओके. इस तरह से ये वॉल्यूम्स आपके रिड्यूस होते जाएंगे एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे वेरी क्लियरली वी कैन सी दिस इज नॉट अ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. पहले x था, फिर 3/4x हुआ, फिर 3/4x स्क्वायर हुआ, फिर 3/4x क्यूब हुआ. सो देर इज नो कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट इज फाउंड ओवर हियर. Okay, since there is no common difference, the series does not make a arithmetic progression. We see that there is no common difference in the terms of series. Hence, it is not a arithmetic progression. Sum number 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. ओके, सो हम अब ये चेक करना है कि जब हम वेल डिग कर रहे हैं, सो फर्स्ट मीटर की जो कॉस्ट है 150 रुपीज़ एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली वो एवरी मीटर पे 50 रुपीज़ इंक्रीज हो रही है. तो ये जो सीक्वेंस बन रही है फॉर फर्स्ट मीटर एंड एवरी सब्सिक्वेंट मीटर, जो चार्जेस की सीक्वेंस बन रही है, इज दैट इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नॉट? सो वी हैव टू चेक दैट. ओके, सो we can write the given situation in the following manner. Okay, so let us write it. What is the cost of digging the well for the first meter? Cost of digging the well for first meter. ये कितना दिया हुआ है हमको? This is given to us as rupees 150. Okay, so अभी फर्स्ट मीटर की कॉस्ट ये हो गई. Let us see what is the cost of digging the well for the first 2 meters. Cost after digging for 2 meters. ये cost क्या बनेगी? This would be 150 plus 50 because it says after the first meter for every subsequent meter it is 50 rupees additional. Okay, so this would become 200 rupees. Okay, what is the cost after digging for 3 meters? Let us see that also. Cost after digging for 3 meters. So this would become, यहाँ तक तो आ गया 200 रुपीज हो गया for the first 2 meters. So this would be 200 plus 50 because subsequent meter पे हम 50 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा इनकर कर रहे हैं. So this is 200 plus 50. So this is equal to 250 rupees. Okay, so cost of digging for 3 meters is 250. Let us take the last point. So for the sake of checking whether the sequence is in arithmetic progression or not, let us take it for the 4th meter also. So cost after digging for 4 meters. ये कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी? 3 मीटर्स तक आए हैं तो 250 रुपीज हुआ है. सब्सिक्वेंटली 4th मीटर पे डिग किया है, सो दिस वुड बिकम 250 प्लस 50. सो दिस इज रुपीज 300. सो हमारी वेरियस कॉस्ट जो हमें मिल रही हैं आफ्टर 1 मीटर, 2 मीटर, 3 मीटर एंड 4 मीटर, दे आर 150, 200, 250, 300, and this would go on in this way only, so on and so forth. You keep on adding 50 rupees to the previous cost. Okay, so we clearly see that there is a trend in the cost after digging for every subsequent meter, and that trend is a arithmetic progression. Why? Because there is a common difference of 50. Do we see this? Okay, so this is in the arithmetic progression. Therefore, the cost of digging the well in the given situation would be in arithmetic progression. Sum number 4. The amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक sum of money है which is P. Let us consider it as P for principal as 10,000. Normally हम compound interest या simple interest में जो money in consideration है उसको principal मानते हैं. Okay, so अभी rate of interest R is 8%. ओके, टाइम हमको नहीं दिया हुआ है कि क्या टाइम है ये. सी the amount of money in account every year they're talking about the amount of money that it would become every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Let us first see what is compound interest formula. Compound interest का जो formula होता है उसमें हमको मिलता है amount. Okay, so A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. Okay, and here P is 10,000. Okay, R is given as 8% and n is the time period. Okay, so if the money is kept and for compound interest for 1 year, n would become 1. N would also become 2 if that amount is kept for 2 years for compound interest. It can also become 3, it can also become 4, it can also become 5. So, जितने भी टाइम के लिए आपने अमाउंट को रखा है वहाँ पे फॉर इन अकाउंट, तो वो हर साल उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, उसका जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8% है, उसका प्रिंसिपल 10,000 है, बट देन n would be changing every year. If you have kept it for 1 year, n would become 1, it for 2, it become 2. So this would keep changing. Now let us see the situation, what it would be after 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 years. Okay? हम उसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, बट हम इसी फॉर्म में उसको डिनोट करेंगे, बिकॉज इसी फॉर्म में हमको समझ में आ जाएगा वेदर इट इज फॉलोइंग द सीक्वेंस ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नॉट. Okay, so if n is equal to 1, the amount after the end of first year would be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 1. Okay, if it is kept for 2 years, then it is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 2. If it is for 3 years, it is 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 3, and it is 10,000 raised to 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 4, and the same way यहाँ पे raised to 5 हो जाएगा if it is kept for 5 years. So we can clearly see that this is not following the compound, the arithmetic progression. Why? Because जब मैं इसको सॉल्व करूंगा, इसको सॉल्व करूंगा, इसको सॉल्व करूंगा और इसको सॉल्व करूंगा, तो ये A1 बन जाएगा, ये A2 बन जाएगा, ये A3 बन जाएगा एंड ये A4 बन जाएगा. तो मेरा A2 माइनस A1 would not be equal to A3 minus A2, and this would not be equal to A4 minus A3. So जब ये कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं रहेगा, so it is not the arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given situation does not form arithmetic progression. Question number 2. Write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Sum number 1. A is 10 and D is also 10. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि A और A1 के बीच में डिफरेंस है 10 का, A1 और A2 के बीच में डिफरेंस है 10, वो दिया हुआ है हमको. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द टर्म A एज 10. सो इफ A is 10, that is given to us, finding A1 is easier. Why? Because A1 is equal to A plus D, that is the common difference. So it is equal to 10 plus 10. Therefore, A1 is equal to 20. Okay. Now let us find A2 also. A2 is equal to A1 plus D, that is 20 plus 10, which is equal to 30. Okay. In the same way, A3 would be 40. Okay. A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that is 30 plus 10, and this is equal to 40. Okay, so हमारे पास एक और लास्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है. Why? Because they have told us to find four such terms of the AP after the first number. So first is 10, so second is 20, third is 30, fourth is 40, and last A4 is A3 plus D, which is equal to 40 plus 10, which is 50. Okay, so the sequence that we have is, or the series, the terms of the series are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and if you keep on extending, if you keep on adding D to the previous term, you will find the new term. So this will keep on continuing, so on and so forth. Okay, so ये हमारा first 4 terms के साथ arithmetic progression का sequence बन गया. Sum number 2, A is equal to minus 2 and D is 0. Okay, so A is given as minus 2. Now let us find A1. A1 is A plus D. Okay, so this is minus 2 plus 0, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, let us find A2. A2 is A1 plus D. So A1 plus D क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? Minus 2 plus 0, again minus 2. Okay, in the same way A3 and A4. Okay, let us do it that also. So this is A2 plus D, which is minus 2 plus 0, again minus 2, and A4 is equal to A3 plus D, which is equal to minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. Okay, हमको 4 subsequent terms find करनी है after the first term. So first term is minus 2, second term is minus 2, third term is minus 2, fourth term is minus 2, and the fifth term is also minus 2. So with this A as minus 2 and D as 0, हमारी arithmetic progression की sequence क्या बनेगी? It would be the same term coming again and again. So the series with given A and D is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, so on and so forth. ये सेम ही नंबर रहेगा because D जो कॉमन डिफरेंस हमें दिया गया है that is 0. So practically we are writing the same term again. Sum number 3, A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Okay, so यहाँ पे A is 4. Okay, so अभी A1 अगर हमें find करना है that is A plus D. Okay, so this would be 4 plus in the bracket minus 3. Okay, so this is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so A1 हमें 1 मिल गया यहाँ पे. Okay, now let us find A2. A2 is A1 plus D. A1 क्या find किया हमने? 1, and D is common difference, that is minus 3. So this is 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, now let us find the next term, A3. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A2 is minus 2 plus minus 3. So this is equal to minus 2 minus 3, and this is equal to minus 5. A3 हो गया. Now let us find A4. A4 is A3 plus D. So this is minus 5 plus minus 3. So this is minus 5 minus 3, and this becomes minus 8. Okay, so हमारी sequence क्या बन रही है? So we started with the number 4. Okay, 4, and then we got 1, then minus 2, then minus 5, then minus 8. Okay, so this is forming an arithmetic progression. So let us write the sequence here. 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. ये हमारा आंसर है. Sum number 4, A is equal to minus 1 and D is half. So A is minus 1. Okay, अब मुझे A1 अगर find करना है, so what would be A1 be? A1 would be A plus D. So this is minus 1 plus half. Okay. So minus 1 plus half, this would be minus 1 by 2. ये A1 हुआ. Okay. Let us find A2. A2 is A1 plus D. So A1 is minus 1 by 2 plus D is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 0. Okay. A3 is A2 plus D. A2 is 0 plus 1 by 2. So this would become 1 upon 2. And the last number of the series, last term of the series, A4 is equal to A3 plus D. Okay. So A3 is 1 by 2 plus D is 1 by 2. So this is 1. Okay. So हमारी सीक्वेंस हमने स्टार्ट किया था -1 से, then we went to minus half, then we went to 0, then half, and then 1. Okay. So the series that I have, the terms of the series are -1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 and 1. Okay. ये मेरा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का सीक्वेंस है. Sum number 5, A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. So A is minus 1.25. Okay. So A1 is A plus D. So A is minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. So this is equal to 1.25, minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So this is minus 1.5. This is the second term A1. Let us find A2. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 is minus 1.5 plus D is minus 0.25. So this is minus 1.5 minus 0.25. So this becomes minus 1.75. Okay. A3 क्या होगा? A3 is A2 plus 2. Common difference A2 क्या है? A2 is minus 1.75. Okay. So minus 1.75 plus D, that is minus 0.25. So this is minus 1.75 minus 0.25. This is equal to minus 2. Okay. And the last term for the solution, A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 is minus 2 and the common difference D is minus 0.25. So this is minus 2 minus 0.25. So this becomes minus 2.25. Okay. So let us write the terms for the answer. The terms are A was 1.25, B was minus 1.5, A1 minus 1.25, A1 was minus 1.5, A2 was minus 1.75, then we had 2 minus 2 and minus 2.25. So this becomes our solution. Question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Sum number 1, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. हमको यहाँ पे first term लिखनी है and the common difference. Okay. So first term यहाँ पे it's very clear. A is equal to 3 over here. Okay. So first term A is equal to 3. Okay. And now common difference D is equal to second term minus first term a1 minus a. So this is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 2. So this is the answer. Sum number 2, the series that is given to us is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. So a, the first term is minus 5 and d, the common difference is a1 minus a. So a1 is minus 1 minus 5. Okay, minus 5. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 5 and the common difference d becomes 4. Why? Because 5 is the greater number और वो पॉजिटिव है तो उसकी साइन पॉजिटिव रहेगी इसके अंदर. ओके, सो आंसर ए इज इक्वल टू minus 5 and d is equal to 4. Sum number 3, the series given is 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3 and 13 upon 3. Let us start with A. A is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, first term यही हो गया. अभी D, common difference is A1 minus A. A1 is the second term. Second term is 5 upon 3 minus A, that is 1 upon 3. This is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay, so A is 1 upon 3 and D is 4 upon 3. That is the answer. A is equal to 1 upon 3 and D is equal to 4 upon 3. Sum number 4, the term of the series are 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. Okay, here first term A is equal to 0.6 and common difference D is equal to second term, that is A1 minus the first term, that is A. Okay, so second term is 1.7 minus A 0.6. So this would become 1.1. Okay, so A is 0.6 and D is 1.1. A is 0.6 and D is equal to 1.1. Question number 4. Which of the following are APs, arithmetic progressions? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. ओके, हमें यहाँ पे गिवन सीक्वेंस जो दिए, हमें जो सीक्वेंस दे रखी है उसमें हमें फाइंड करना है इफ दे फॉर्म अ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एंड इफ दे फॉर्म अ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड वी हैव टू राइट 3 more terms in the same. Let us start with the sum number 1 wherein the first term A is 2, second term A1 is 4, third term A2 is 8 and fourth term A3 is 6. Okay, so let us find the common difference. So A1 minus A, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 and A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is 6 minus 8, that is equal to, okay, so A1 minus A, that is 4 minus 2 is 2. A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 4 is 4. And A3 minus A2, that is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So common difference नहीं मिल रहा है. यहाँ पे common difference है 2, यहाँ पे common difference है 4. Because they do not have the same common difference, the given series with the terms 2, 4, 8 and 16 are not in arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given series is not in arithmetic progression. Sum number 2, the terms of the series are 2, 5 upon 2, 3 and 7 upon 2. So A is 2, A1 is 5 upon 2, A2 is 3 and A3 is 7 upon 2. Let us find the common difference. So common difference D is A1 minus A. So this is 5 upon 2 minus 2. So this is 2, 5 minus 4. This is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now let us find the common difference between A2 and A1. A2 क्या है 3 और A1 है 5 upon 2. Okay. So this again is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now let us find the common difference between A3 and A2. A3 वाला टर्म हमारा है 7 upon 2 minus 3. So ये क्या बनेगा 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Friends, अभी यहाँ पे हमारे पास A1 minus A, A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 तीनों में ही कॉमन डिफरेंस 1 upon 2 मिल रहा है. ओके. सो व्हेन सच अ सिचुएशन अराइजेस, जब ये कॉमन डिफरेंस से सेम है हमारे, द सीरीज इज इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके. सो अभी हमने ये तो फाइंड आउट कर लिया कि ये सीरीज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है, बट हमें अब क्या करना है, हमें अब नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स फाइंड करने हैं. सो लेट अस फाइंड द नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म. ओके. सो अब हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टर्म बनेगा, दैट इज हमारे पास A3 तक सीरीज है, सो वो बनेगा A4. A4 कैसे बनेगा, अभी कॉमन डिफरेंस है 1 upon 2, A3 क्या है 7 upon 2. सो 7 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is A4. Okay, so this is 4 and let us find A5. A5 कैसे बनेगा अभी 4 plus 1 upon 2. So this is 2, 8 plus 1. This is 9 upon 2. Okay, and the last term जो बनेगा हमारा A6, that is 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. This is 10 upon 2. So this is 5. Okay. So common difference D is half. Let us write the answer. D is equal to 1 by 2 and A4 is 4. ये मिल गया हमको यहाँ पे. A4 is 4. A5 is 9 by 2 and A6 is 5. This is the answer. Sum number 3, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. Okay. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए हम फर्स्ट चीज करेंगे वो है A1 minus A. A1 is minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So this is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So this is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now second thing, अभी हम फाइंड करेंगे A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. A1 है minus 3 by 2. Okay. So let us find this difference as well. This is minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and this becomes minus 2. Okay. A3 क्या टर्म है हमारे पास, A3 is given as minus 7 by 2. Okay. So let us find this difference also. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 7 by 2 minus ब्रैकेट में minus 5.2. Okay. So minus 7.2 plus 5.2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. So what is very clear here is that A1 minus A is 2, A2 minus A1 is minus 2, sorry, A1 minus A is minus 2, A2 minus A1 is minus 2 and A3 minus A2 is also minus 2. Okay, जब ये तीनों ही डिफरेंस सेम आ रहे हैं, so this is in arithmetic progression. Okay, now because it is in arithmetic progression, we have to find the next 3 terms. अभी हमारा जो fourth term बनेगा, that is A4. So A4 is A3 plus the common difference which is minus 2. ये हमारा common difference है. Okay. So A4 इज इक्वल टू A3 प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस D. A3 है -7.2 and this is -2. So this would become -9.2. Okay, let us find A5. A5 is A4 plus D and this becomes -9.2 minus 2. This is equal to -11.2. And the last term in the series is A6, which is A5 plus common difference D, which is equal to -11.2 minus 2 is equal to -13.2. Okay, so in the given sequence जो है -1.2, -3.2, -5.2 and -7.2, D common difference is equal to -2 and A4, A5 and A6. Okay, A4, A5 and A6 are -9.2, okay, -11.2 and -13.2 respectively. Sum number 4, -10, -6, -2 and 2. Okay, so अब हमें अगर ये चेक करना है कि ये जो सीक्वेंस है, जो टर्म्स हमको यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं सीरीज में, if they are in arithmetic progression or not, we'll have to find the common difference subsequently. Okay, so first common difference हम निकालेंगे A1 minus A, which is -6 minus -10. Okay, so -6 plus 10 is equal to 4. Okay, now the next हमें difference निकालना है A2 minus A1. So A2 is -2 minus -6. Okay, so this is equal to -2 plus 6 and this becomes 4 again. Now let us find the difference between the A3 and A2. A3 and A2. A3 क्या दिया हुआ है हमको? 2. Okay, and A2 क्या है? -2. So 2 minus -2, this is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, so अभी हमने जब ये टर्म्स का डिफरेंस निकाला, A and A1, A2 and A1, A3 and A2, तो कॉमन डिफरेंस 4 है. ओके, सो हमारे जो ये टर्म्स हैं ये अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है, एंड नाउ because it is an arithmetic progression, we have to find subsequent 3 terms. Okay, so A4 is equal to A3 plus common difference. Okay, so A3 is 2 plus common difference is 4, so this is 6. Okay, A5 is equal to A4 plus common difference D, which is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And the last, A6 is equal to A5 plus D, which is 10 plus 4, and it is 14. Okay, so common difference D here is 4, and the terms that we have found out are 6, 10 and 14. So this is the answer. Sum number 5, the terms of the series are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on and so forth. Okay, so अब हमें यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप जो करना है, that is कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है, एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस हम फाइंड करने के लिए A1 minus A2 करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A1 minus A, so A1 is 3 plus root 2 and A is 3, so minus 3 is equal to root 2. Okay, अभी A1 minus A root 2 आ गया. Now we will find A2 minus A1. A2 क्या है? 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A1 क्या है? 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Let us open the brackets and solve it. 3 plus 2 root 2 माइनस 3 माइनस √2, ये क्या बनेगा? 3 and 3 कैंसल, 2√2 minus √2 is √2. Now let us see what is a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. a3 क्या है? a3 is 3 plus 3√2. 3 plus 3√2 minus a2 क्या है? 3 plus 2√2. 3 plus 2√2. Okay. Now let us open the brackets and see what do we get. So this is 3 plus 3√2 minus 3 minus 2√2. 3 gets cancelled over here. 3√2 minus 2√2 is √2. So यहाँ पे जो हमने कॉमन डिफरेंस मिल रहा है हमको, दैट इज √2. ओके, यहाँ पे इट इज √2, यहाँ पे इट इज √2 एंड यहाँ पे इट इज √2. So the D over here is √2. Okay. Now we have to find the next term, that is A4. A4 क्या बनेगा? A3 plus D. Okay. So 3 plus 3√2. 3√2 plus D is under √2. Okay. So this would be 3 plus 4√2. Okay. Now let us find A5. A5 is A4 plus D. A4 हमें क्या मिला? 3 plus 4 under √2. So 3 plus 4 under √2 plus √2 is equal to 3 plus 5 under √2. And the last term A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 3 plus 5 √2 plus √2. So this is 3 plus 6 under √2. Okay. So common difference D is under √2 and the terms that we have found are 3 plus 4 under √2, 3 plus 5 under √2 and 3 plus 6 under √2. So this is the answer. Sum number 6. The terms of the series are 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. Okay. So अब हमें ये चेक करना है whether these terms are in any arithmetic progression or not. Okay. So वो चेक करने के लिए हम फर्स्ट स्टेप ये करेंगे a1 minus a. a1 is 0.22 and a is 0.2. So this would become 0.02. Okay. Now let us check a2 minus a1. a2 is 0.222 and a1 is 0.22. So this would become 0.002. Okay. Now let us check it for the fourth term and the third term. So this would be a3 minus a2. ये बनेगा 0.2222 minus 0.222. So this would become 0.0002. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे ये जो टर्म्स मिल रहे हैं हमको, ये कॉमन डिफरेंस है, पर ये सेम नहीं है. कॉमन डिफरेंस यहाँ पे, कॉमन डिफरेंस D is not same. Okay. So therefore the sequence is not in any arithmetic progression. Therefore the series is not in arithmetic progression. Sum number 7. The terms of the series are 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. ओके, सो अब हमें अगर चेक करना है कि ये टर्म्स जो हमें दी गई हैं इस सीरीज में, इफ दे आर इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नॉट, वी स्टार्ट बाय फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू टर्म्स. So we will start by finding the difference between the second term and the first term. So this is a1 minus a. यहाँ पे a is the first term and a1 is the second term. So a1 is minus 4 minus a is 0. So this is minus 4. Okay. Now let us find the difference between a2 and a1. a2 क्या है यहाँ पे हमारे पास? -8 minus 4. Okay. So this is -8 plus 4. So again this is -4. Okay. Now let us find the difference between the fourth term and the third term. So a3 minus a2. a3 जो हमें दिया गया है that is -12 minus 8. So this is -12 plus 8. This is equal to -4. Okay. So common difference -4 आ रहा है. Okay. This is the common difference. This is the common difference and this is the common difference जो कि -4 आ रहा है. अब हमें next term find करनी है which is a4. Okay. So a4 is equal to a3 plus common difference. a3 कितना है? -12 plus d, so this is plus -4, so this is -12 and -4, so this is -16. Okay. Now let us find the next term which is a5. a5 कैसे find करेंगे हम? a5 find करेंगे by adding d to a4. a4 plus d. So a4 क्या मिला हमको? -16 plus d is -4, so this is -16 minus 4 and a5 becomes -20. Okay. Now let us find the next term a6. a6 is a5 plus d. a5 मिला है -20. We have calculated it just now. -20 plus d is -4. So this is -20 and -4 and this becomes -24. Okay, so the answer is we found common difference d is equal to 4. So terms that we have found are d is -4 and not 4. Okay, d is -4 and the terms that we have found are -16, -20 and -24. Sum number 8, the terms of the series are -1 by 2, -1 by 2, -1 by 2 and -1 by 2. And we have to check whether the terms given in the series are in any arithmetic progression or not. Okay. So उसके लिए हम कैसे start करेंगे? We will start it by checking whether the difference is same. So a1 minus a. a1 यहाँ पे है -1 by 2 and a is -1 by 2. So -1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So first common difference 0 आ गया. Now let us see what is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is again -1 by 2 minus -1 by 2. So this would also be 0. And in the same way a3 minus a2 would also be 0. So since ये तीनों differences same हैं, ये arithmetic progression है. Okay. The only difference between this sum and any other arithmetic progression is that the d is here 0. Okay. Because d is 0, all the terms of the series are same. अब हमें जब subsequent terms भी find करनी, हम क्या करेंगे? हम a3 में 0 add करेंगे. So when we are adding 0 to a3, it is -1 by 2 plus 0, which is actually -1 by 2 only. So a4, a5 and a6 are nothing but -1 by 2 only. Okay. So let us write the answer. a4, a5 and a6 are also minus 1 by 2, and D is 0 and minus 1 by 2 are the numbers that we have found. Sum number 9. The terms of the series are 1, 3, 9 and 27. And we have to check whether these terms are forming any arithmetic progression or not. Okay, so यहाँ पे start करने के लिए we will find the common difference between the terms. Okay, so A1 minus A. Here A1 is the second term of the sequence, that is 3, minus A. A is the first term, that is 1. So this is equal to 2. A2 minus A1. अब हम next two terms को ले लेंगे. Next two terms है 3 and 9. So A2 is 9 and A1 is 3. The difference here is 6. I'm sorry, that's not the common difference. It's just a difference. And the last is A3 minus A2 is 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. So A1 minus A is 2. A2 minus A1 is 6. And A3 minus A2 is 18. So यहाँ पे ये common difference same नहीं है. Difference यहाँ पे तीनों में से किसी का भी same नहीं है. And therefore this sequence 1, 3, 9 and 27 does not form any arithmetic progression. The difference is not same and therefore it is not AP. Sum number 10. The terms of the series are A, 2A, 3A and 4A. And हमें अभी यहाँ पे check करना है whether these terms are in arithmetic progression or not. The first step that we would do is find the difference between the second term and the first term, third term and the second term, fourth term and the third term. अगर वो तीनों ही difference same आ रहे हैं, then it is in arithmetic progression. So let us find the difference between the second term and the first term. So second term is A1 minus A. This is 2A minus A is equal to A. Now A2 minus A1. A2 is 3A minus A1, that is 2A is again A, and A3 minus A2. So this is 4A minus 3A is equal to A. So यहाँ पे A and A ये common difference बन रहा है हमारा. तीनों भी difference same आ रहा है. So this is a common difference and therefore because the common difference is same, the terms in the series are in arithmetic progression. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें फाइंड करना है A4, A5 and A6. A1, 2, 3 है. Now we will find A4 which is A3 plus D, and A3 is 4A and D is A. So this is 5A. A5 is A4 plus D. Okay. A4 क्या है हमारे पास? A4 is 5A plus D is A. So this is 6A, and A6 is A5 plus D. So this is equal to 6A plus A, which is equal to 7A. So ये हमारे आंसर है and this is the common difference D. Okay. Sum number 11. The terms of the series are A, A square, A cube and A raised to 4. Okay. Like the previous sums, यहाँ पे अगर हमें check करना है कि ये terms arithmetic progression में है कि नहीं, हम difference find out करेंगे. पहले हम difference find out करेंगे second और first term का, फिर third and second का, फिर fourth and third का. Let us start with finding the difference of the second and the first. Second term is A1 minus first term is A, which is A square minus A. A बाहर आ जाएगा. A minus 1 is the difference. Now the difference between the third term and the second term. So A2 minus A1. A2 is A cube minus A square. अब difference क्या बाहर आ जाएगा? A square. This would become A minus 1. Now let us find A3 minus A2, which is A4 माइनस ए रेज टू 4 माइनस ए रेज टू 3. ओके, अब यहाँ पे हम कॉमन बाहर ले लेंगे ए रेज टू 3, ए क्यूब कॉमन आ जाएगा और ब्रैकेट में रहेगा ए माइनस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट में कॉमन डिफरेंस है a इंटू ए माइनस 1, सेकेंड में है ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए माइनस 1 एंड थर्ड में है ए क्यूब इंटू ए माइनस 1. सो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है, देयरफॉर द सीरीज इज नॉट इन arithmetic progression. Sum number 12, the terms of the series are under root 2, under root 8, under root 18 and under root 32. Okay, so हमें यहाँ पे चेक करना है whether these are in arithmetic progression or not. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सेकेंड में से फर्स्ट का डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे, थर्ड में से सेकेंड का करेंगे एंड फोर्थ में से थर्ड का करेंगे. ओके, सो a1 माइनस a इज इक्वल टू root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 minus root 2. So the difference is root 2. Okay. Now let us find the difference between under root 18 and root 8. So a2 minus a1 is under root 18 minus under root 8. So under root 18 can be written as 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 2. So this is 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 2 is again equal to minus 2. Okay, जो हमें फोर्थ टर्म दिया है that is under root 32 and under root 32 minus under root 18. So this is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So this is again under root 2. Okay. So अभी जब हमने ये differences निकाल लिए, what we see that is common difference आ रहा है हमारे पास root 2 और root 2 वाला. Okay. So अब हमें subsequently a4, a5 और a6 भी find out करना है. a4 कैसे find करेंगे हम? a4 is equal to a3 plus d. d is the common difference, that is root 2. a3 कितना है हमारे पास? under root 32 plus root 2. Okay. Now under root 32 is 4 root 2 plus root 2. So this is 5 root 2. This is 5 root 2. Okay. अभी 5 बाहर लिखा है हमने, हमें इसको अंदर लेकर जाना है under root 2 के. So this would become 5 square into 2. So this is 25 into 2. This is under root 50. Okay. Now we have to find a5. a5 is equal to a4 plus under root 2. That is the common difference. So this is under root 50 plus under root 2. So this is 5 under root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 root 2 and this can be written as under root 72. 6 को हमने root के अंदर ले लिया. So this was 6 square into 2, that is 72. Let us find a6. a6 is equal to a5 plus d. So a5 is under root 72 plus d is under root 2. So this is 6 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 7 root 2 and this becomes under root 98. So common difference d is equal to under root 2 and the answer that we have obtained is under root 50, under root 70 and under root 98. This is the answer that we have got. Sum number 13. The terms of the series are under root 3, under root 6, under root 9 and under root 12. हमें चेक करना है whether ये जो terms हमें दी हुई हैं ये arithmetic progression में है कि नहीं है. तो इसके लिए हम second term और first term का difference लेंगे, third term और second term का difference लेंगे, fourth term और third term का difference लेंगे. So let us start by taking the difference of the second and the first term. So second term is a1 minus a is the first term. So this is under root 6 minus under root 3. Okay. So under root 6 minus under root 3 is equal to under root 3 into under root 2 minus under root 3. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे under root 3 common आ जाएगा. So this would become under root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now let us take the difference between the third and the second term. So this is a2 minus a1, which is equal to under root 9 minus under root 6. Okay. So under root 9 minus under root 6 is 3 minus root 6. Okay. Now 3 minus root 6 can be written as 3 minus under root 3 into under root 2. Okay. तो अब मैं इसमें से under root 3 कॉमन निकाल लेता हूँ. So what I will get is root 3 under root 3 minus under root 2. Okay. Now let us check what is a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 is equal to under root 12 minus under root 9. So this is equal to 2 root 3 minus, this is 2 root 3 minus 3. Okay. अभी इसमें से अगेन अंडर रूट 3 कॉमन निकलेगा. ओके. सो यहां पे क्या बचेगा 2 माइनस अंडर रूट 3. ओके. सो ये डिफरेंस आया फोर्थ एंड थर्ड टर्म का, ये डिफरेंस आया थर्ड एंड सेकेंड टर्म का, एंड ये डिफरेंस आया सेकेंड एंड फर्स्ट टर्म का. एंड वी सी दैट द डिफरेंस इज नॉट कॉमन. ओके. बिकॉज द डिफरेंस इज नॉट कॉमन, the terms given in the series are not in arithmetic progression. Therefore, the terms in series are not in arithmetic progression. Sum number 14, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. Okay, so this can be written as 1, 9, 25, 49. ओके. सो अभी ये अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है कि नहीं है, उसके लिए हम डिफरेंस चेक कर लेते हैं. a1 माइनस a, दैट इज 9 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 8. a2 माइनस a1 विच इज 25 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 16. एंड a3 माइनस a2 इज इक्वल टू 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. Okay. Difference हमें मिला है 8, 6 and 24. Okay. So 8, 6 and 24 common difference नहीं है. So the sequence is not in arithmetic progression. Therefore, the series is not in arithmetic progression. Sum number 15. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. So this can be written as 1, 25, 49, 73. Okay. So a1 minus a is 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. a2 minus a1 is equal to 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. a3 minus a2 is equal to 73 minus 49 is equal to 24. So common difference same आ रहा है. Okay. So these are in arithmetic progression. Let us find a4. a4 is equal to 73 plus common difference, that is 24. It is equal to 97. a5 is equal to 97 plus 24 is equal to 121, and a6 is equal to 121 plus 24 is equal to 145. Okay. So answer D is equal to 24, and the numbers that we have found are A4 is 97, A5 is 121 and A6 is 145.
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज। और हाँ, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें। फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड।